Happy Friday, mathematicians! Today we're going to do some splat math with our friend Steve. And we've already practiced doing splat math with our numbers 1 through 10, but we're going to be doing some more math with our friend Splat in our numbers 1 through 20. Okay, so here we go. How many blue shapes do you see? You can pause me and you can go count how many blue shapes do you see. Okay, and I'm gonna go grab my handy dandy little marker over here. Okay, so I see 1, 2, 3. Oh, actually, let me get my spotlight. Okay, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I think there are 19 shapes. There are 19 shapes. Ooh. Splat! Oh my goodness, there's a splat! How many shapes are under the splat? And I want you to tell someone around you. How do you know how many shapes are under the splat? Okay, so let's go count how many shapes are not under the splat. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are 11 shapes that are not in the splat. 11. So I wonder, 11 plus how many more equals our 19? Pause the video and I want you to count up in your brain to figure out how many shapes are under the splat. Can you do that? I think you can. Okay, so let's go count up from 11. Okay, hold 11 in our brains. Touch your brain. 11. Count on 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So if we add 8 to our 11, we're going to get 19. I wonder if Miss Rasher is right. What do you think? Maybe did I miss something? What do you think? But for right now, let's see. My guess is 8. Let's see. And then I want you to think, if I counted up, and that's how I thought of how many splats are under here, I wonder if you've thought of it in a different way. Did you think of a different way to think about this problem? And then now we're going to look under the splat to see how many shapes there are. Let's see. Let's go count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh man, that was a close one. I'm glad that I figured out a way to think about how many shapes were under that splat. Okay, so now let's go think of it. Let's go do another problem, okay? Ooh! So what can we learn from the picture? So we knew in total we had 19 shapes. And so I knew that there must be 8 shapes underneath here because there were 11 that were outside the shape. So now let's do another splat. How many shapes do you see? Pause the video and you can go count before you hear me count, okay? Are you ready? How about now? Are you ready? Did you already figure it out? Can I count now? Yeah, I can count now. Okay, thank you. Okay, let's go count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Ah! I accidentally already pressed the button. There are 17. There are 17 shapes. And then there was a splat. There's a splat. How many shapes are outside the splat? There are 6 shapes that are outside the splat. So 6 shapes are outside of the splat. Oh, that's a silly 6. Oops. Let's see if I can fix that. There we go. 6 shapes are outside the splat. How many are inside the splat? What do you think? You can pause the video while I make a silly face. Did you figure it out? What do you think? I wonder how many are underneath that splat. So if we also say there were 6, we know that there are 6 shapes outside the splat. Let's try learning something while doing subtraction this way. What do we know about 7 take away 6? So in the number 17, we have 7 ones. And in the number 6, we have 6 ones. Just like this, each circle shows us 1 1. Okay, so we could maybe figure out our possible answer by taking away 6 from the number 7. What's 7? Take away 6. What's our answer? 1. We're left with 1. So see you later, 6 ones. That's gonna leave us only with the shapes that are inside the splat. So what's 1 10? Take away 0 10s. I know that looks a little bit silly for you. I know. Hold on. Okay. So since we don't have any 1s in the number 6, we can just carry it down like this. So I'm thinking maybe there will be 11 shapes inside the splat. What do you think? Do you agree or respectfully disagree with me? And can you explain why? You can talk to someone around you and pause the video to explain why you believe my answer is correct, or maybe you respectfully disagree, and that's a-okay. Okay, are you ready to see what's under the splat? Okay, here we go. How many shapes are underneath the splat? Let's count. 1, 2, oops, no, come back here, you silly. Oh man, hold on. Here we go. Let's go count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We were right. There were 11 shapes underneath the splat. Great job, Splat mathematicians. You did a very great job. If you would like to do some Splat math, all you need is maybe a piece of paper and go get a couple of different cubes or other objects you have around the house to make different splat equations. Can you do that? I think you can. Or maybe rocks or sticks outside to make different math equations with things outside too, okay? But you have to ask your parents' permission if you're going to go outside. Okay, well, have a great weekend, mathematicians. You did a very great job today doing our splat math. Awesome work. Okay, see you later, mathematicians. Bye-bye.